Welcome back to Brotuned. People have been asking to see down the bore of the factory barrel. I'm going to use my test long borescope and we'll have a quick look. Let's see what it looks like. So as you can see here, we're going in from the chamber side of things, just barely penetrating here. And everything looks pretty nice, pretty polished, not much scratching. Entering the lens, everything looks nice. That's where the carbon ring would be, or has been. You can see right there, right at the edge of the case, a little bit of pitting and stuff. And barrel looks very nice, super clean. I just cleaned it, so it's actually pretty clean. And the rifling all looks very good. It's not as polished as the IBI, but it's still super clean. Very nice barrel. And you guys saw from the target shooting how it shoots as well. It's a very good barrel. I think it could use a little bit better of a polish on it. I might try that in the future. Get some JB bore paste or give her a little polish. Now we're into the break, because everyone knows a 22 needs a break. There we go. So, and the crown, nice crown in this barrel. I find there's a bit of a change in the metal. As you can see, probably a quarter of an inch back, like almost like where the rifle or the threading is. Kind of weird. Right there in the middle of the skull. Yeah. It's the only thing I've noticed on this barrel. Everything else looks super nice and clean. And going back down the barrel towards the chamber again. No flaws to speak of in this barrel. It does shoot very well. Maybe a tiny bit of chatter marks there, but nothing to complain about, I don't think. Coming back down towards the chamber. Nice consistent lands, everything's looking very good. I noticed they are a lot steeper or taller than the IBI barrel. But it's a different kind of barrel, so. And we're coming back down. Here we are at the chamber again. Then we're being at the lens. Everything looks very well done. A little bit of reamer marks there. But like I said, very nice for a factory barrel. Where the carbon ring would be, if there was one still there, it would be right there. Yeah, it's looking very good. So that's what the factory CZ barrel on the LRP looks like on the inside. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. Take care.
Never go full retard.